નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ટુડે we are going to learn standard 7th subject English grammar lesson number 4th verbs transitive intransitive. As you know student, in our previous video we studied transitive and intransitive verbs teaching points. Now today we have to do exercise in this video. But before starting our video, we have to revise some main points. So let's start it. Transitive verbs are those who have a direct object. Transitive verb is that type of verb which take a direct object. It is known as a transitive verb. Transitive verb which is take an object, it is known as a transitive verb. And intransitive verbs cannot take any object, it is known as a intransitive verb. Based on that teaching points, we have to do our exercise. So students, let's start it. Exercise A, first of all, is given here. Exercise A heading is there. Identify the verbs in the following sentences and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. From that sentences, we have to find out the verb first of all. After finding verbs, we have to decide it is a transitive verb or intransitive verb. So, first sentence is given here. It has been cloudy since morning. First sentence is given here. It has been cloudy since morning. Here has is used as a helping verb and been is a main verb. So after been, is there any object? We have to find out. If object is there, then it's become a transitive verb. If object is not there, then we have to find out. We have to say that it is an intransitive verb. So first of all, find out the object here. Asking question, we learn in our teaching points that what with what has it been, what has it been. We have to ask question. We cannot find any object here, we not find any clear answer here. So here been became intransitive verb. So answer becomes like that. You have to write here BEEN, been, then dash, and then write intransitive verb. Can you understand how to write? Okay, now second one is given here. The procession is returning from the capital city. The procession is returning from the capital city. First of all, we have to find the verb here. The procession is a subject here. Is a helping verb and returning is a main verb here. So we have to ask that question once again with what. Just keep attention here. What is the procession returning? We cannot get definite answer here. So no object is given here in that sentence. So returning become intransitive verb here. So you have to write returning intransitive verb. Third sentence. Most citizens are angry at the new law. Most citizens are angry at the new law. First of all, we have to find the main verb here. So main verb is given here as are. Here are is given as a main verb. So ask question once again with that what. If you get any perfect answer, then it's become a transitive verb. Otherwise we cannot get correct answer, then it's become a intransitive verb. So ask question with are, with what. What are most citizens? So we cannot get correct answer here. So are become here intransitive verb. You have to write are then dash intransitive verb. Now fourth sentence. You can cut down on your tummy fat by doing some very simple exercises. You can here you as a subject, can is a helping verb, cut down is a main verb here. Cut down is a main verb. We have to ask a question here first. Cut with what? What can you cut down? So answer, we get answer here. Answer get your tummy fat. We can get answer here, your tummy fat. So we get answer by asking that question, means cut is a here transitive verb. Cut is a here transitive verb. Now second verb also given here. Second verb also given here, doing. Doing is a verb here. We have to ask that question once again. If we get answer, then it's a become a transitive verb. So what can you doing? What can you doing? Here answer we get. Very simple exercise we can get as a answer. So here doing is also a transitive verb. Doing is also a transitive verb. So answer become here like that. Cut transitive verb, doing transitive verb. Both transitive verb is given in that exercise. Now fifth one. I have never liked lady fingers. I have never liked lady fingers. So here liked is a main verb. Ask question to liked. What have I liked? So we get definite answer here, lady's finger. So liked is a here transitive verb. Can you understand, student? Now sixth sentence, students. The primary section is located at the rear side of the building. So here we have to find the main verb. So here is main verb. Is main verb. So ask question to main verb with what? If we get final answer, then it's a become a transitive verb. Otherwise it's become a intransitive verb. What is the primary section? We cannot get correct answer here. So it's is become here intransitive verb. You have to write is intransitive verb. Now seventh one. The kids were peeping inside the room turn by turn. So first of all we have to find the main verb here. Peeping is main verb. We have to ask question with what? What were the kids peeping? What were the kids peeping? So we get a answer or not? No, we cannot get any related to that question's answer. So here peeping become intransitive verb. Peeping intransitive verb. Next one. Michelangelo was an artist who painted great masterpieces in the 13th century. Michelangelo was an artist. First of all we have to find out the verb. Here verb was is given. Verb was is given. We have to ask that question once again. If we get correct answer, then it's a transitive. Otherwise it's become an intransitive verb. But asking with what question? We cannot get any answer here. So watch is a intransitive verb here. And second verb is given here, painted. Painted. Second verb is given here, painted. So ask question with what? What was Michelangelo painted? What was Michelangelo was painted? So we get a correct answer here, masterpiece in 13th century. So painted become here transitive verb. Was is a intransitive verb and painted is a transitive verb in that sentence. Now ninth number sentence we have to do. Do not eat very fast. It might damage your esophagus. So do not. We have to find the verb here. Which is verb here? Here eat is a verb. Ask question to eat. With what? With what? If we get correct answer, then it's a transitive, otherwise it's become an intransitive verb. Here it is given as a intransitive verb. Second verb also is given here, damage. Second verb damage is given here. Ask question to damage. What might it damage your esophagus is a answer. So damage become here transitive verb. It become intransitive verb and damage become here transitive verb. Now 10th one. Look before you leap. Look before you leap. Here look is a verb. It is started in a sentence. Look. So ask question with what? We cannot get answer here. So look become here intransitive verb. And second verb leap is also given here. Leap is also intransitive verb in that sentence. So both verb are intransitive form. Now little bit of a teaching point is given here. Now that you know there differences between transitive and intransitive verbs, you must also remember that some words can be used as both transitive and intransitive. Some verbs in English can be used as both transitive verb and intransitive verb. Here example is given here. Hannah is drawing. Hannah is drawing. Here drawing is a verb, but it is used as a intransitive verb, intransitive form. But second example is given here. Hannah is drawing a cat. Here drawing is used as a transitive form. So after drawing, one object followed. So it's become a transitive verb like that. Here you have lived long enough. Here lived is given here as a intransitive verb, but in that sentence lived become a transitive verb. Can you understand, student? Third sentence. He has been playing. Here playing verb given, but it is used as in an intransitive form. But here playing is used in a transitive form. So keep in mind, student, some verbs in English can be used as a transitive verb and intransitive verb, both form. Now next exercise we have to do, exercise B. What is this? We have to understand about it. Look at the following verbs. Change the intransitive verbs into transitive ones and rewrite the sentences. Here in that sentences intransitive verbs is given. We have to convert it into transitive form and rewrite the sentence. Okay, now we have to start it. First sentence is given here. Charles was eating when I entered. Charles was eating when I entered. Here eating is a intransitive verb. It is an intransitive verb because we cannot get answer asking by question what. I ask question, for example, what was Charles eating? What was Charles eating? Can we get any answer here? No. So eating is a here intransitive verb, but we have to convert it into transitive form and rewrite the sentence. So answer become like that. Charles was eating when I saw him. Instead of entered, we have to add saw him. And then eating become transitive verb in that sentence. Can you understand, student, now how to do exercise? Now second sentence we have to see. Driving rashly can lead to accidental deaths. Driving rashly can cause. So here driving rashly can lead to here can is a intransitive verb. We have to convert into transitive verb. How we can convert it? See here. Answer become driving rashly can cause accidental death. Lead to, instead of lead to, we have to add cause accidental deaths. Understand, student, now? Third sentence we have to see. The teacher will explain to you. The teacher will explain to you. Here intransitive verb explain is given here. Ask question with what? If we get not get answer, then it's a transitive. I do. As example, see. What will the teacher explain? We cannot get a definite answer here. So explain is used as a intransitive verb. We have to convert it into transitive form. How we convert it? Just see. The teacher will explain the sum to you. We have to add here the sum to you. Now explain become a transitive verb. Okay. Now next thing. Fourth one. They celebrated all night in the college campus. They celebrated all night in the college campus. Here celebrated is used as a intransitive verb. Ask question with what? What did they celebrate? What did they celebrate? So no answer is given here. So celebrated is used as a intransitive verb. We have to convert it into now transitive form. How we convert it? Just see here. So answer become like that. They celebrated the party. We have to add here the party all night in the college campus. The party we added. So now celebrated become as a transitive verb. Now fifth one. Have you finished learning by heart? Here finished is an intransitive verb. We have to convert into transitive form. So finalized answer become here. Are you done with learning this by heart? Are you done with learning this by heart? So now learning also become a transitive verb. Can you understand, student, now? Now sixth one we have to do. Patrick is writing rashly. Patrick is writing rashly. Here writing is an intransitive verb. Ask question with what? What is Patrick writing? What is Patrick writing? So we cannot get definite answer here. So here writing is in intransitive form. We have to convert into transitive form. So finalized sentence become like that. Patrick is writing his letter. We have to add here his letter rashly. So now writing become a transitive verb. Now seventh sentence we have to see. So you have finally understood. So you have finally understood. So ask question. So understood is a verb here. Ask question with what? What have you understood? What you have understood? No answer is given here. So understood is here an intransitive verb. We have to convert it into transitive. So finalized answer become like that. So you have finally understood this. We have to add this after understood. So understood converted into transitive verb. Now next sentence, 8 number sentence. All the while Sherlock Holmes was guessing in his mind. All the while Sherlock Holmes was guessing. Guessing is an intransitive verb here. We have to convert it into transitive verb. Ask question with what? What was Sherlock Holmes guessing? What was Sherlock Holmes guessing? We cannot get definite answer here. So guessing is used as an intransitive verb here. We have to convert it into transitive. So answer become here. All the while Sherlock Holmes was guessing the answer. We have to add here the answer in his mind. So the answer become here answer. So guessing converted into transitive verb. Next one. The crowd was shouting because Jamal had hit a 6. The crowd was shouting because Jamal had hit a 6. The crowd was shouting. Here shouting is an intransitive verb. Ask question with what? What was the crowd shouting? So we cannot get here answer. So it's an intransitive form. We have to convert it into transitive form. Like that. The crowd was making a racket because Jamal had hit a 6. What's happened now? The crowd was making a racket instead of here shout we have to put making a racket because Jamal had hit a 6. Now 10 sentence. He left yesterday. So here left is an intransitive verb. We have to convert into transitive form. First of all, ask question with what? What did he left? What did he leave? So correct answer is not here. So left is used as a in intransitive form. We have to convert it into transitive form. How? Just see here. He left his home yesterday. We have to add his home here and left become transitive verb here. Can you understand, student? Now here our B exercise also over. So answer key of exercise A and B is given here. You have to complete it in your grammar textbook with pencil. Exercise A answer key is here, 10 sentences. Exercise B's answer key is given here. You have to complete it in your grammar textbook. Thank you for joining us.